Once upon a time, in a galaxy far, far away, there lived a brave and daring space pilot named Han Solo. Han Solo was known for his quick wit, his fast ship, the Millennium Falcon, and his heart of gold. One day, Han received a mission from Princess Leia. She needed his help to save the galaxy from a great danger. With the Millennium Falcon ready to fly, Han set off on a starry adventure. Along the way, he encountered many challenges. First, he encountered a giant space slug blocking his path. Han used all his skills to navigate through it. Next, he encountered a group of bounty hunters chasing him. Han outsmarted them with his quick thinking and fast flying. Finally, Han reached Princess Leia and together they saved the galaxy from destruction. Han Solo returned home a hero. He had proved once again that with courage, quick thinking, and a little bit of magic, anything is possible. The end. Sleep tight, little ones. May the Force be with you.